I'm coding like Romans did in ancient times, only using their faces. No keyboards, no mouse, no AI, no Family Guy episodes from the first seasons playing in the background. Just me, my face, and the documentation of a robust Python graphics library called Turtle. I make some facial expression, my script detects it, and I move between keys until I stop holding the expression. And I'm writing all the code for the good old Snake game, from scratch, this way. I'm not sure how many hours it will take, but I'm not in a hurry. It feels good to slow down for a bit these days. It feels good, man. Yeah, it kinda feels nostalgic. Honestly, I don't remember how I had this idea. I wish it had originated from a discussion with my friends at a table at IKEA, but it didn't. Maybe it was just a heavenly sent neuron activation for it. Or maybe I just wanted to start coding from zero, like a real Roman. I'm pretty sure the Romans did this effortlessly in ancient times. I'm just not sure how. I know I'm much softer than them, as I rarely have to wake up early to battle, or use my face to code. And although I don't know if they preferred high-level languages like Python, or if they focused more on low-level stuff like pointers, I do know the old texts very well, and this is the way to go. The old texts mention 5 different facial expressions tied to human emotions, what Romans call the motus animi. There's the happiness or smile, the sadness, the surprise, the anger, the sigma. They believed these 5 emotions were strong enough to build everything from a full-stack social welfare management system designed to automate the cura anoni to a simple arrow drawn into a turtle canvas object. And as the hours in the IDE bled into more hours, I started to truly grasp how tough the lives of Romans were and how much they differed from our current ways of agentic programming. Okay. Navigating scripts with one's face is a Herculean feat, because every single change requires the usage of the motus animi. That's a torment on arrival by returning from your decade of mandatory legionary service to find your hearth cold and your family plundered by a barbarian raid. But that's a scar I know too well.
Jesus Christ! Now, if the copy command didn't work, I'm gonna break everything I'm seeing.
Romans didn't use Kubernetes by the time the Colosseum was constructed, but they still managed to build the greatest infrastructure. That's all thanks to an unmatched superhuman intuition that made a typical Roman engineer capable of doing quick calculations.
Okay, so what are the width dimensions of the screen? I have no idea. One thing is certain, it's more than 0 and it's less than 10,000. Yeah. No! 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 Yeah? Oh! Nice! I got it!
And thus, great things can be achieved when you code with your face, like Romans did. Because in the end, the Romans built an empire like no other, an imperium sine fine, as they used to say. And they did it without weekly sprints, AI, or keyboards. Just a great deal of pillaging and coding.
Yeah, but believe me, the score is there, okay? There is something there at least. It's writing something, that's more than enough. There's one last feature missing and that's just... let me just do it.
Yeah, it's just... Oh, wait a second. Okay, the last feature is... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's on this line here, over here.